Well, that's one of the reasons why we're geographically, decentralized. We have on every continent, in the world except for Antarctica, we have a Hedera node, but we don't have one in space yet. So it's great that you're thinking along those lines. I know that you have a relationship with Elon. Do you think there's any way we could get him involved? Because I know he's interested in this kind of stuff as well.
He's a technology fanatic. So if he realizes, and he will realize, that we are pushing the envelope, then we are bringing something that he doesn't have yet, because he obviously is a very big blockchain ambassador and he loves crypto, but he didn't put it yet together himself. So if he sees us coming with a serious project, I'm sure he will get all his support. I already met him, as you know, in a political environment. That will be in a technical environment, and we are launching his own rocket. So yeah, for sure we will continue getting his support. But what is more important here is this decentralization effort. There's a lot of people that they are willing to put time, money, because this is the future of the earth. It's not to create mega cities and go into a centralization mode again, as we were in the past. This is about decentralization, about inclusion, about sustainability, and use the space as the next frontier. And yes, let's put blockchain on the space. That's what this project is going to be all about.
What's going up, bull runners? Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you guys here today. We're diving into an extraordinary partnership that's set to take cryptocurrency to new heights. Literally, stick around and find out how Hedera Hashgraph and SpaceX are merging the blockchain with the cosmos. Imagine a world where transactions in space are not just possible, but are facilitated by cryptocurrency. That's precisely what Hedera Hashgraph and SpaceX are aiming to do with their new upcoming project. Hedera Hashgraph, known for its efficient and scalable blockchain technology, has partnered with SpaceX. But what exactly does this partnership entail? Here's the scoop. SpaceX is set to launch a satellite in January of 2025 equipped with Hedera's HBAR cryptocurrency technology. And this just isn't about sending a satellite into space. It's about setting up the framework for a space-based payment network. Using Hedera for this project makes sense because of its ability to process transactions quickly with low energy use, which is crucial in energy-constrained environments such as space. The significance of this mission extends beyond transactions. It's about laying a groundwork for the future space commerce, where Martian colonies or space stations might use cryptocurrency for all of their financial dealings. The crypto community is absolutely going nuts right now. We'll take a look into what they're saying. Cam on X posts here, SpaceX and Hedera Hashgraph have announced a groundbreaking partnership to pioneer satellite payment networks. The strategic move positions Hedera as a key player in the emerging space economy. Harris on X posted, "Oh boy, what a week it has been for Hedera. I mean, can it get any more bullish than an ETF filing and now collabing with SpaceX?" And we will get into a little bit of ETF filing information as well. Is $5 unrealistic? This has bullish written all over it. What's your conservative peak price for HBAR this run? Comment below, he asks. He put a great graph here together for us. Project name Hedera HBAR. 56 cents is the all-time high, the base price of 5 cents. Some target prices here, 10 cents, 50 cents, $1, $2, and also $5. Current circulating supply of coins, 37.7 billion with a total supply of 50 billion. 75% of those are in circulation. Sean on X posts, breaking, SpaceX is sending a satellite powered by HBAR to space this January after NASA research paper on Hedera. He goes on, Cardano's founder, Charles Hoskinson, visited Elon Musk's SpaceX HQ in Hawthorne yesterday. It was announced on Swiss national television today that WiseKey and SpaceX are sending HBAR into space in January. A satellite powered by Hedera will facilitate transactions of cryptocurrency in space, potentially paving a way for future satellite-to-satellite payment networks that might redefine transactions across Earth and space. This technology could be extremely important for the colonization of Mars, but also the future industries that will live in space. And this comes after the rumors that Cardano and Hedera powering a plethora of government efficiency initiatives exploring by Doge. And also there's a linked report here from NASA about the technology that is Hedera Hashgraph. And on top of all of that, that is all important. But even remember this, there could be even more positive news for Hedera and HBAR. Brian Brooks, an HBAR board member, now has a 41% chance of becoming the next SEC chair per Kalshi, the betting site. And as we know, we do need a new SEC chair that's going to be very crypto positive. This could be a big shakeup ahead of the crypto regulation coming in. And more HBAR information. Don't forget to join us over at BULLRUNNERS HQ at BULLRUNNERS HQ on X. Approval of an HBAR ETF could be just around the corner, potentially unlocking massive institutional inflows into the Hedera network. Billions in investments could follow, paving the way for unparalleled adoption and growth for HBAR. And we also had a post here about the Brian Brooks scenario, which was featured on Fox Business here. HBAR board member, former Binance US CEO, is reportedly leading the candidates for SEC chair under Trump. With a track record as acting as comptroller of currency, his expertise could signal a major crypto-friendly shift in the SEC. In this article from 99 Bitcoins, Hedera hashgraph to the moon, literally HBAR partnering with Elon Musk SpaceX. Hedera's technology, a leading factor in SpaceX's decision, as the blockchain can reportedly process trillions of transactions per second. WiseKey CEO speaks on joint partnership that will see HBAR become the first cryptocurrency in space. WiseKey CEO confirmed the news on his post on X when he said, "We're thrilled to share our upcoming WiseSat space satellite launch in January with SpaceX has been featured by Swiss Radio Television, Radio Tele Suisse. The groundbreaking mission powered by WiseKey cutting-edge security and Hedera technology will take innovation to new heights." Having a look here on CoinMarketCap, we also see HBAR is trending right now, one of the top 5 coins in all of the market space. HBAR has been on an absolute rocket ship to the moon as of late, as we can see here on the monthly chart. As of November 9th, HBAR was sitting at 5 cents, currently coming in at 14 cents, and lots of momentum with this positive news coming about everything with HBAR. On top of the SpaceX news and the partnership and going to space, Canary Capital applies to launch spot HBAR exchange-traded product. Investment firm Canary Capital filed with the US SEC to list the trade shares of its spot Hedera exchange traded fund. In a November 12th filing, Canary submitted their S1 to the SEC, proposing that the commission allow U.S. investors to trade shares of its Canary Hedera ETF trust on an unnamed exchange. The exciting thing about an ETF is it allows mainstream people that don't really get involved with crypto have access to crypto that they weren't going to be involved with before. So this could obviously bring tons and tons more of institutional money into the HBAR project. Let's address some of the misconceptions. SpaceX isn't directly using blockchain for their operations. They're just providing the launch service for the innovative satellite project by WiseKey, which utilizes Hedera's tech. This project could very well be the first step towards space economy powered by blockchain. Imagine the possibilities from buying real estate on Mars to paying for your space travel with HBAR. But as always, we need to keep our expectations grounded in reality.
Hey, Bull Runners, check this out. If you want to learn how to find the next 10x, 50x, or even 100x altcoin in this video, listen to this. Our research team posted GOAT on the 13th of October of 2024 when it was right at a penny, and since then it rallied to over $1 and is currently still up over 5,000%. That's like turning $1,000 into over $50,000. Our team called Pendle at only a $16 million market cap, or 16 cents, back on February 18th of 2023, all the way back here, and since then it's rallied up over 4,000%. That's a 40x. It's like turning $1,000 into over $40,000. Our team also called BitTensor Tau September 15th, 2022, before the token was ever even launched. And since then, Tau has rallied over 2,000%. That's a 20x. Our team even said Solana is most likely to be one of the easiest trades next year, and this was posted December 29th, 2022, on the day that Solana bottomed out at around $8. And since then, Solana looks like it's up over 2,500%. That's a 25x. It's like turning $1,000 into over $25,000. And the bull run is just getting started. The list goes on and on and on. Our team called Sui, Ondo, and even some of the biggest cult-based meme coins like MOG back in July 20th of 2023, the day that MOG launched. So if you want to learn how our team is finding these altcoins before they explode, we just launched Altcoin Pro University, where our research team gives you real-time altcoin picks with explosive potential for this bull run, along with 100+ expert curated classes crafted by industry experts to discover these gems yourself on top of our live weekly calls every single week for in-depth crypto market analysis and daily updates. And that's just a fraction of what we offer inside of Altcoin Pro University through the link below. And although we make no guarantees because crypto is definitely risky, guys, this is only $97 a month or $970 a year. If you want to save $194, getting 2 months for free and unlock some exclusive bonuses through the link below. But I'm not going to talk all about that in this video because we have a lot to cover. Just go through the link in the description below, get in right now, watch the 26-minute video covering everything that Altcoin Pro University offers because we have a lot to cover with you over the next few minutes in this video to help you become the first millionaire in your family tree. If that's a goal of yours, our goal is to help 1,000 members set their portfolio up for life this month. And you can get started through the link in the description below right now, or you can go to bullrunners.com to take advantage of the bonuses we're giving you before they expire. We have about 200 members right now, and we literally just launched like less than 5 days ago at the time of making this video. Everyone is loving the community. They're loving the education. They're getting access to real-time altcoin picks first before we ever make videos about them. So click the link in the description below, watch the video, and I'll see you on the inside.
What do you think about cryptocurrencies in space? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure that you give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more interstellar content. Until next time, keep exploring the future with us.